Place your hands on your thighs. You're gonna keep your arms straight, lifting the sternum, and then rounding. Your arms stay straight the entire time, and you're pressing on your thighs, really making this active and isolating your spine here. Lifting, and then rounding until you stand. Kick one leg into your hand. You're gonna press your foot into your hand while your hand presses back into your foot. Tuck your butt under slightly and hold. You should feel your quad there. Then you're gonna kick the leg forward and do a little scoop into grabbing the opposite leg, stretching out your quads again, the front of your thighs. Butt is tucked under, pressing your foot into your hand back into your foot to create that contraction, kicking that leg in front, and then scooping that leg is slightly bent. Then you're gonna kick one leg behind you. We're stretching the hip flexors here. So you're gonna reach up and over to the side and then do a very slight twist. That back leg is the side of the front of your hip that you're stretching. Then you're gonna kick the opposite leg back, tuck that tailbone under slightly, reach up and over to the side, and then you're gonna perform that slight twist, really feeling that back leg, but the front of your hip. And then you're gonna come out of it, inhale, exhale, and let's go.